Well, with my project, I was looking to see if aggression, territorial aggression, changed with migration strategy or with landscape composition in song sparrows. And what that means is that normally migratory birds are less aggressive than non-migratory birds just because they only maintain their territory during the breeding season. And the other point with landscape composition, that's referring to like how urban an area is. And urban creatures tend to be bolder and thus more aggressive than rural creatures. So we assumed we'd see this trend with song sparrows. And to measure this, we basically simulated invasions in the song sparrow territory and, got them all riled up. They thought someone was invading their territory and like freaked out about that. And we recorded their response. And with that, we did some statistical magic and basically found that there wasn't any correlation as we expected. And we have a few reasons for why that might be. The first thing is that song sparrows, unlike some birds, have a conditional strategy when dealing with neighbors, where if the neighbor is aggressive towards them, they'll be aggressive back. And that's really not contingent on like whether they migrate or not. So that kind of rules that out. As far as the landscape composition goes, we ran our study different from the previous studies that found the correlation between urbanness and aggression. We think we took a more realistic approach and included a bunch of different aspects, whereas they only looked at one variable. So that's also why we didn't get the same results as them. So far it looks like it doesn't change at all. It's more of just on a small scale basis for how aggressive the bird is. Oh, this was a surprise. I expected it to be more formal. I thought I'd have to like sit like near my poster and like be there at all times, but it's just like a lot of people I know, and we go around, we look at each other's posters, and then like I have a few strangers come up and chat with me, and that's really cool. And everyone just seems like if they're here, they're excited to like learn about other people's things. So it's a very welcoming environment. I really enjoyed it.